It appears that no one can rescue them from bankruptcy. Shiba Inus have a lot of potential with this. Even Robinhood took note of it. A major event is on the horizon, and they are making assumptions about it. Because of this, I am really optimistic. So what's going on? Is there a rationale for our excitement? I will explain. Your daily dose of Shiba is here with Wealthy Coin. For all your Shiba-related questions, this is the place to be. Subscribe if you want to know what's happening in the cryptocurrency market and get the most up-to-date news predictions. Make sure to hit the like button to get more SHIB news. Something quite remarkable happened today in relation to our whales. According to data from Intuthablock, prominent players in the Shiba Indian market may be scaling back their engagement, as evidenced by the considerable reduction in net flow among large holdings. An increase in net flows is a common indicator of accumulation, which could mean that whales are buying assets. Nevertheless, a fall of this scale, large holders may be starting to sell or reduce their holdings if this trend continues. On the other hand, how is this even possible? Could you tell me why this is happening? This condition is greatly affected by market sentiment. Large investors may wish to lock in their gains before the next fall in Bitcoin prices, especially during times of market instability or when values reach their peak. Making a profit is a natural part of the cycle. It is merely the way the game is played. The whales might be waiting for conditions to improve before reinvesting their profits or selling their holdings, but there's no need to worry for Shiba Inus just because of this. According to past trends, smaller investors may be able to take advantage of price drops to join the market, or existing investors may be able to re-enter at a lower price. In light of the recent volatile market patterns, Shiba Inu could experience a rebound in demand, especially if additional traders jump on the bandwagon to profit from the decline. This large whale discharge is not harmful, and I will explain why shortly. As things progress, this is just the start for Shiba Inus. As far as anyone can see, the traditional American economy is in a downward spiral. Much debate has been sparked by a recent tweet. The US is about to declare bankruptcy. Now, interest charges amount to an astounding $3 billion every day. Surprisingly, Shiba Inu and the cryptocurrency market as a whole might gain from the current economic uncertainty, which might affect global markets due to the severe financial strain on the US. People typically look for other places to put their money when traditional banks start to fail. In times of economic uncertainty, cryptocurrency prices tend to soar. Past occurrences confirm this. Cryptocurrency is becoming a safe haven for many investors. The fact that the US spends billions on interest payments every day suggests rising concerns about debt, inflation, and potential instability. As a result, investors may start putting their money into higher yielding, more speculative assets like Bitcoin instead of safer options like bonds or stocks. As investors look for alternatives to failing banks, the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency might benefit from this shift. In addition, ordinary investors are drawn to Shiba Inu due to its accessibility and incredibly low pricing. Want to take part in the activity but not put too much money at danger. Reports of the US economy's downturn provide a gloomy picture for traditional markets, but they might be perfect for Shiba Inu's flourishing. As more and more people seek safety in decentralized digital assets, cryptocurrency is now largely believed to do well irrespective of the US election results. A number of people are arguing that the outcome of the presidential election could not matter much for the Bitcoin business. Changes in investment behavior are a common outcome of elections. As they promote themselves and their platforms, both candidates have demonstrated an interest in the cryptocurrency economy. Just recently, Kamala Harris accepted Shiba Inu as campaign finance. This move highlights the growing involvement of prominent politicians with cryptocurrencies, which is a noteworthy development. For investors, this might mean that cryptocurrency is starting to make a name for itself. On the flip side, Trump has proposed new regulations that might be good for the Bitcoin industry. These proposals have the potential to improve conditions for digital assets by removing restrictions or creating incentives to invest in cryptocurrencies. A lot of people get really excited about the Bitcoin market when politicians do things like this. In light of these changes and the benefits that people believe they will bring, they may start shifting their money into cryptocurrencies, therefore by proactive involvement or supportive legislation. The cryptocurrency market might see improvements after the elections, which could be very beneficial for digital assets like Shiba Inu. On top of that, Crypto Rover followed up with a tweet that showed how cryptocurrencies fared in previous presidential elections. In this case, it may be possible to predict how Bitcoin would behave by analyzing these historical graphs, which reveal patterns and trends. There have been instances in the past when presidential elections caused the cryptocurrency market to experience substantial volatility. According to historical data, Bitcoin values can have gone up or down significantly in years leading up to elections. Investors' priorities changed in reaction to new laws and election outcomes, causing a reallocation of capital. Possible contemporary developments can be better understood against this historical backdrop. If previous elections have demonstrated positive trends in cryptocurrencies, it is reasonable to expect this election to do the same. The candidates' stances on Bitcoin or investors' expectations of future gains could lead to a surge in interest and investment in the cryptocurrency market. To sum up, it appears that more and more people are leaning towards investing in cryptocurrencies. It seems to be arranging itself in such a way as to maximize its benefits. But how exactly are they doing that? An unexpected incident took place today. The Shiba Inu was the subject of an entire thread on X started by Robinhood. This is surprising because Robinhood usually doesn't put a lot of emphasis on certain cryptocurrencies. Doubts have been raised by the surprising choice to highlight Shiba Inu. Many are wondering why Robinhood is currently putting so much attention on it. Is it possible they are planning a major effort including Shiba Inu? They can be trying to find new customers or get more people interested in it. Many have wondered what this move means for Shiba Inu's future with the company and the site as a whole. The article, Let's Talk Shiba Inu, gives a brief synopsis of the breeds and its supporters' accomplishments. Robinhood's thread delves into the history and achievements of Shiba Inu since it first appeared on the market. The incredible rise of the Shiba Inu is the subject of one noteworthy story. Despite early skepticism, the story of Shiba Inu's remarkable success showcases its perseverance and the strength of its community. With a track record of unexpected successes and strong performance, Shiba Inu is well positioned to take advantage of the current investment and interest spike in the cryptocurrency market. Look forward to additional considerations if it doesn't reassure you enough. Shiba Inu is expected to experience growth in the future, according to analysts. Notable trader Dexter has produced an enticing prediction. Despite the current market challenges, Shiba Inu may achieve a long-term goal of 3 zeros. The current price has increased by a factor of 10. Over the past several days, the Bitcoin market has seen an upward trend. Having said that, Shiba Inu has not fully taken advantage of the upturn just yet. The Shiba Inu brand is still very much in the spotlight with a valuation of more than $7 billion. Despite the present Shiba Inu drop, the currency is approaching a significant support level, according to Dexter. Shiba Inu must hold its support level and move towards the resistance trend line if it is to regain its upward momentum. Despite Shiba Inu facing some challenges in the near term, Dexter's study shows that it has good long-term development prospects, particularly if it can stabilize and recover from where it is now. Shiba Inu prices have dropped recently, but that will not last. In the future, it might lay the groundwork for major developments. Shiba Inu might experience an explosion in popularity due to a number of factors coming together. Although worrisome, the current state of the American economy does give opportunities for cryptocurrency to thrive. No matter who wins the upcoming U.S. presidential election, the Bitcoin business is sure to reap benefits. The fact that Robinhood wrote an entire article about Shiba Inu is probably indicative of the big change that is soon to happen, and it is most definitely not a coincidence. With these qualities, Shiba Inu can take advantage of market changes and ongoing interest to potentially achieve substantial growth soon. From your point of view, what does that mean? It would be my pleasure to read your take on this matter if you could just leave a comment below. As the day draws to a close, don't forget to give it a hearty approval. To view the most current content, feel free to subscribe and share the content.